Hi guys, this is Pete Mazaris, Home Inspector Mentor, and this is video part 2 of the short review of PalmTech reporting software that I showed you the previous video, the desktop portion of this, and if you haven't seen that, please watch that video first. So this is the handheld app application of their software, which you would be using on site at an inspection. So whether it's a iPhone or an Android, doesn't matter. You're going to have one of them or perhaps a tablet to enter the data. So let's go ahead and get into the app so I can show you how it works. So the same table of contents shows up as you saw on the computer laptop, and so you can go ahead and tap into any of these sections, and the left side is the drop down for the code for their items that they use here: acceptable, not present, not inspected, marginal defective, not applicable, and you can just click on it to add that. The middle item is the component that you're looking at. So in this case, I'm just picking brick veneer, and we say it's acceptable. If we want to add a picture, we can click the three dots and then click on the camera, which then allows us to take a picture, and that goes into the report right there. If we want to take an additional picture, we can click on that. If we want to edit the picture, for instance, we're going to add some annotation, just like we did on the laptop. That gives us the ability to do that. And of course, if we click back into it, I think right here in the middle, or the type, where is it? Yeah, right there. So you have the option to delete it or keep it as well. So this is the way their software works. I'm sorry, their app works, which is pretty handy. I like the fact that a newer inspector can simply go down and scroll down and just make sure that they're getting everything. And if you come across something that's not present and you don't want to in the report, you can either say not present, or you can say or you can actually remove it. So if we were to remove basement windows, hit the trash can and it takes it out. If we wanted to not print the entire section, then we hit the NA above, and then see how that grays it out, so it won't print. If we need to add a disclaimer, which there's always disclaimers, and you can build your disclaimer library either on the laptop, computer, or on this device as well. And so that little voice image bubble in the upper left allows you to do that. And so here we can add additional disclaimers. When we do that, see the drop down. So I can go like this and add wind to it, add snow, and if we wanted to add an additional one, we can go ahead and do that. And we just click edit and add new, high wind, and we added new, and now you got a new disclaimer. So that's a nice feature. Makes it easy. And so another thing I like about their handheld app is that you can slide this little bar at the top to jump to what other section you want to go to, instead of having to go back to the home button and pick it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if that's that big of a deal, but anyway, as you are building the report, you have some more options of adding pictures besides taking a picture, and that option is the gallery setting, which is this picture there. I'm sorry, not that one. It is, let's see, I think it's these. No, that's the same one. I gotta hit the upper. There we go. And so with this, you can go ahead and I missed it here. I'm gonna do it again. And select from your gallery. So if we wanted to put Lulu back in there and we wanted to do another picture, so you just do this. Select add additional picture, and now you have additional pictures. Click finished, and now they're in the report. And so I like that feature because I like to take a lot of pictures and then add them later in between sections. Like if I'm taking a bunch of attic pictures, I don't want to sit there and add them into the report while I'm in a hot attic, and I'd rather do that when I get out of the attic. And so this allows that to be done that way. So that's handy, and that's pretty much how you build their report. Like I said, I like the fact that you have all of these items that are listed for you, and they're also pre-oriented. If you hit on the note section of some items that are common for issues, that you can just pop in there, and you can easily edit the sections on on this device or back home on your laptop. So that is a brief synopsis of the PalmTech software for you. Okay, hope that was helpful, guys.